Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. A Jamaican educator has been killed in Canada and her husband has been charged. Greetings, and salutations, yeah, to all nations, especially my Jamaicans worldwide. You too, send this one to all my Jamaicans in Canada and Ontario. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Thank you for tuning in to Deep Roots TV. If it's your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button and leave a comment. A 64-year-old Jamaican-born school teacher was allegedly murdered by her husband in Vaughan, in Ontario, Canada on Wednesday. The deceased is Estella Wheeler, a grade 7 and 8 teacher at the Africentric Alternative School in North York, Toronto. Her husband, Trevor Wheeler, has since been charged with second-degree murder. Canadian media outlet City News report. Neighbours told reporters that the couple moved from Jamaica and resided in the community for about 15 years. Trevor reportedly ran a scrap metal company in the country, while Estella taught at a North York-based school for more than 7 years. It was reported that about 12:25 a.m. on Wednesday, officers attached to the York Regional Police were summoned to a semi-detached home in Vaughan where the couple lived. On their arrival, Estella was seen suffering from serious injuries despite medical attention given to her. At the scene, she later succumbed to her injuries. Trevor was arrested at the home and was subsequently charged with the relative murder of his wife. While some reports say Estella was reportedly stabbed to death, the York Regional Police have not officially confirmed the perceived cause of death until the postmortem examined. It has been scheduled and should be conducted in coming days. Additional police did not provide information on whether other persons were at the home at the time of the incident. Neighbors were shocked to hear that this tragedy has developed, as they described Estella as having been a friendly, kind, and beautiful woman. They also remember her from singing while she's hung out her laundry in the backyard. Trevor was said to be more outgoing. Principal of the Africentric Alternative School, Hugh Reginald, described Estella as a well-known, dedicated team member who cared for all of her students. In a letter to parents on Wednesday, Reynolds said Estella developed a strong relationship with the students and staff during her time at the Educational Institute. He said she will be remembered as an incredible, kind, and giving person. Meanwhile, James Paternak, of Canada, politician at the Toronto City Council, said he was saddened by the tragic news that Estella succumbed to injury allegedly caused by intimate partner violence. In a post on Facebook on Thursday, Paternak said Estella was a passionate educator who was admired by students, parents, and staff. Ladies and gentlemen, he offers his sincere condolence to the family and friends of Estella. And we do here at Deep Roots TV offer our sincere condolences to the friends and families, to the students, to all that has been hurt in, domestic violence, and to all the friends and families of these family members, Godspeed, and I hope you get the right healing. R.I.P. Miss Estella. It's a tragic situation once again, ladies and gentlemen, as Jamaicans worldwide continue destroying themselves. What can we do to make our diaspora, our country, our island, our beautiful families and home safe again, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting again. A Canadian educator born in Jamaica. It's unfortunate has been taken out by her loved one, Mrs. Estella Wheeler, taken out by her husband, Trevor Wheeler, in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. It's another tragic news in the Jamaican family, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Leave your comment, please. Let me know what we could do to make Jamaicans safe again. Let me know what we could do to have a better life. It's another tragedy being reported abroad. Another Jamaican woman taken out by her husband, Miss Estella Wheeler, taken out by Trevor Wheeler in Vaughan, Toronto, Canada. Unbelievable.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up Neighbours TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.